Pasamundos. Hi, everybody. Today we're going to talk about characters and settings. Mirror my actions. Characters are the people, the animals, and the creatures in your story. Mirror my actions. Characters are the people, the animals, and the creatures in your story. Ah, that's a good one. I like that. Mirror my actions. The setting is where the story takes place. Mirror my actions. What's going on here? The setting is where the story takes place. Now, let's see here. All right, we are going to watch a video trailer, the advertisement for a movie about the movie Frozen. And we're going to talk about the characters and settings in that movie. I know a lot of you have seen that movie. I've never seen it, but I bet I can figure out the characters and settings. Maybe you can help me here. Let's see what happens. Let's turn it down because I know this is kind of... Oopsie, here we go.
Summer in the city of Arendelle. It couldn't be warmer. It couldn't be sunnier. But that's about to change. Forever.
Arendelle, it's completely frozen.
Well, it looks like the setting is very important in this story, isn't it? Let's see here. Because at the beginning of this thing here, look at this place. I guess it's called Arendelle or something. It looks really pretty, doesn't it? Let's talk about this setting here. Well, the setting starts off as like it's got some mountains here and it's got water, right? It's got beautiful green grass and trees. And also part of the setting is that it's warm outside, right? So part of the setting there is that it's warm, but it looks like the setting changes, doesn't it? Huh? It changes to this. Let's see. Whoopsie, whoopsie. That looks like a character there. Let's see. It looks like it... What? Well, there it is there.
Couldn't be
Sunny
sunnier.
and... Uh-oh, what happens? Uh-oh.
Arendelle, it's completely frozen.
It turns into being completely frozen. As a matter of fact, the whole idea of this story revolves around the setting, doesn't it? Isn't that interesting? Something happens to the setting that sets up the whole movie, right? What happens to the setting? It becomes cold and snowy. It's not sunny anymore, is it? Yeah, it's cold.
A real howler in July, yeah? Lands covered in eternal snow.
Really?
If we don't do something soon, we'll all freeze to death.
Oh my
You want
goodness.
to talk about a problem? I sell ice for a living.
Ooh, that's a rough business to be in right now. I mean, that is really... That's unfortunate.
So it seems to me like these two people are characters, aren't they? Now, I don't know their names. I think her name is Belle. I'm not sure. And then this guy. They're characters, right? We could tell you a little bit about them, couldn't we? Huh? We could tell you that we have a boy and a girl, right? One of them sells ice for a living. I don't know.
That's unfortunate.
My lady.
This is awkward. Not you're awkward, but just because I'm awkward. You're gorgeous. Wait, what?
Hi, everyone.
Oh, there's another character, isn't there? There's a snowman that talks. What does that tell you about this story? Could it really happen, or... No, it's a fantasy story, but that's okay. It still has characters and settings, right? And it's got a snowman here that talks. His name's Olaf, I guess. He's a character, isn't he?
Hi. You're creepy.
I don't want it. No.
We got off to a bad start.
I know how to stop this winter.
Hang on.
I like fast.
Whoa. Get your feet down. This is fresh lacquer. Seriously, were you raised in a barn?
Let's go bring back summer!
Well, this looks really good. Maybe I should see this movie. Oh,
I've got a thick skull. I don't have a skull.
so it looks to me like there's three main characters, right? The girl, the boy, and this snowman. There's some other characters too, but you can see they're less important to the story because we don't see them very often, right? There's like main characters and then less main characters and less important characters, right? I don't know their names. Maybe some of you can help me. I'm sure you know them. I know that's Olaf.
Now we just have to survive this blizzard.
Oh. Oh, wait. I've also seen this kind of witch person, maybe this magic person. It looks like she might have cast a spell. That could definitely be an important character, right? Maybe she turns this place into a winter all the time, frozen all the time, right? That would be another important character, wouldn't it?
That's my sister.
Oh, it's her sister.
It is not nice to throw snow people.
Whoa, feisty pants. Just let the snowman be.
I'm calm.
There's a snowman. A mean snowman. Huh.
Olaf, you're melting.
Some people are worth melting.
Oh, no.
You're just maybe not right this second.
Oh, my goodness. This looks like a really good movie here. Whoa.
Hang in there, guys.
Oh, no. Huh.
I can't feel my legs. I can't feel my legs. Those are my legs. Hey, do me a favor, grab my butt.
Oh, that looks like a fantastic movie. Okay. Anyways, what we've seen there is the characters in Frozen, right? What I would like for you to do with that, let's see here. Okay. We're going to play a little game together here. It's not really a game. I wish we were together, then we could actually play this game, right? Oh, I have all this stuff for you kids, and I don't get to use it. All right, here we go. We're going to spin. Spin, spin, spin. Spin the big wheel. Big money, big money, big money. The setting is where the story takes place. Is that true or false? Let's see. The setting is where the story takes place. Oh, that's definitely true, isn't it? True. Yay, that's correct. Oh, it'd be much more fun if we were all together, wouldn't it? Okay. Let's try a couple more of these here. Oh, well, my spin wasn't very good, was it? A house made of straw is a character. Characters are the people, animals, or creatures in your story. Is a house a character? Is a house a people, animal, or a creature? No, that would be more of a setting, wouldn't it? That's false. False. What? Oh, the game isn't right. The game isn't right. Boo! Good job, Mr. B. And we'll hit true. That's not true, though. That's incorrect, buddy. We'll try another one and see if that's right. And spin, spin, spin the wheel. Well, my spins are lame. Characters are animals, peoples, or figures in a story. That's true. Characters can be animals or people, right? Let's see if this one's right. Yay, that's correct. All right, we're done with this. I think you get it. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I am sending you this paper here. And over here it says main character. And over here it says setting, right? So you can either use your words and draw a picture of the characters over here. Or you can use your words and write about them like the main character is Belle. Actually, first graders, I would like you to do that. I want you to write the characters' names and then draw a picture of them. And over here you can write about the setting. See, it gives you quite a bit of room here to draw it. Okay? So over here you're going to write about the characters. And over here you can write about the setting. You could use this down here to use your words to describe it. And up here you can draw a picture of the character and the setting of the trailer that we watched, right? With Belle and Olaf. I think her name's Belle. You might have to help me there. I've also sent a copy of the Super Mr. B Show. Give that a watch again if you want to. I think it's really fun. When we get back to school, hopefully we'll be able to put you guys in that video and make it more about you guys. That was last year's video. Anyways, I miss you. I hope you're staying well. Think about characters and settings, and everything that you watch on television or read about. Everything's got characters and settings pretty much, unless it's a science show, unless it's about math or global warming or something. It might not. Well, that kind of has a setting, doesn't it? But most stories that you watch on television will have characters and settings. So keep your eyes out for those. Let me know what you find. All right, I miss you. I care about you. Take care, and we'll see you later. Bye. Bye.